Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. I got another old build I'm going to take out of this box. I haven't seen in many years. Obviously it's I have written on there 1970 Cutlass. If I remember right now, it's been a while, but I think this one was black, molded in black. I probably left it that way. Let's see. Oh no, I'm wrong. Oh wait, no, yeah. The glare from the box made it look gold. That's another one I've got. Here we go. Wow, nothing in the box, and nothing fell off. There's something new, guys. One that actually all stayed together. This was a 70 Cutlass, 442 it says on the side there, and on the bottom, oh, I got in some fancy detail in there. I did the full exhaust and the gas tank. A little bit of engine work there. I don't remember what the engine was. A little dark in there, but the fact that it all stayed together is pretty encouraging. Let me set you up here. There we go. There's the front end on this one. I don't know why the hood isn't closing all the way. It's catching on something. Oh, a little bit of detail on the firewall there. Very little, but at least I did something back then. There's the hood down. Front end, obviously. 1970 for sure. Okay. I love the roof line on that one. That was always pretty cool. Different wheels in the front and the back. Well, I could almost just dust this one off and put it right back on the shelf. That's pretty neat. Did a little bit of trim work around the windshield, it looks like, but not the back. I didn't do it on the back. Funny. That's it. Not a whole lot on this one. Wheels do not move in the front. The rear wheels do move or roll. That was it. I don't know what else to say about that one. I'll have to really dig deep to see if I can find out what who the manufacturer was. And you know, where it came from, all that good stuff. Yeah, no markings on this one. Molded in black. The interiors looks like it's stock, you know, dusty and stock. Got the 4-speed on the ground there, or on the tunnel. Cool looking steering wheel. That's that one. 4-speed, dual exhaust. I imagine there's a 4-barrel in there somewhere, hidden up underneath there. Probably a 350 in there. I don't remember. Yeah, we'll go ahead and just put that right on up and out on display. I'm just going to leave it exactly the way it is. Definitely some good memories on these vehicles. So alrighty folks, that was absolutely a quick one for you. That is the 70 Cutlass 442, and if I can find a picture of it, if it jogs my memory, I'll post it now. And wish you all a great day, and thank you for stopping by. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and tell all your friends, and help me grow this channel. I'm having a blast. I hope you're enjoying the content. And we'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.